let us start. Let us start. चलो 4 centimeter. Now no more discussion. 4 centimeter line segment we have to draw. So take the scale. Wait, no, 4 centimeter. So take the scale. Take the scale and draw one line. Take the scale and draw one line. Take the scale and draw one line. Bigger line you draw. Then you take any point A from the middle, take the point to the left. So we take the point A on that. This is my point A. This is my point A. We take any point A on that. Now you take the compasses or rounder and take the scale. You keep this is called the metal end. This is called the metal end, and this is called the pencil arm. This is called the pencil arm, and this is called the metal end. So you take the scale and keep the metal end at 0 and pencil arm at 4. You take the compasses, take the scale and keep the metal end at 0 and pencil arm at 4. Now do not change the setting. Do not disturb this setting. Then you keep the metal end at A. You keep the metal end at A. You keep the metal end at A and draw an arc. And draw an arc which cut this line. That is my point B. That is, we will take one. This is my point B. Where the arc cut the line, that is my point B. That is my point B. And in between we write 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter of line segment. Yes. No, I will not see because I am out of that. Now see. So board is clear, right? Chalo. Board is clear. Now let us. Yes, everybody I have joined. Whoever requested come. Yes, mute the microphone. AB is 4 centimeter. Mute the microphone. Now C is, yes, mute the microphone. Now C is 3.8 centimeter. 3.8 centimeter. We have to draw the line segment of 3.8 centimeter. So we will, yes, Rohit Thakkar, mute the microphone. Now for 3.8 centimeter, we draw the line. We draw the line using the scale. Using the scale, we draw the line. Using the scale, we draw the line. Now, yes, mute the microphone. Now we take the one minute. Yes. Wait. No, but yes. No, nobody will. Let it be. Now let us draw 3.8 centimeter. So 3.8 centimeter. First, using the scale, you will draw the line. Then you will take the 3.8 centimeter. Yes. Now you take the rounder and the scale, compasses and the scale. Keep the metal tip keep the metal tip, yes, keep the metal tip at 0, keep the metal tip at 0. Are you able to hear me? Yes. Yes, yes. Now mute the microphone. Now take the metal tip at 0 and 3.8 centimeter. Where will be 3.8? Yes. Yes. Between 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4 there will be 8 small line. Between 3 and 4 there will be 8 small line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 small line, at 8 small line you keep the pencil arm. Between 3 and 4, 8 small line. You keep the pencil arm. Then you take any arrow one, you can take any centimeter. You take the bigger line, no? You take the bigger line, take a point A on that. You draw one bigger line, take the point A on that. Then you take the scale and keep the metal tip at 0 and 3.8. It will be between 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Start from 3 and select 8 small line. Start from, it will be between 3 and 4. See, this will be between 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4. 3 and 4 there are 8 small line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there you have to keep the pencil arm. There you have to keep the pencil arm, and then you keep the metal tip at A and draw one arc. You have to keep the metal tip at A and draw one arc. Now where this arc cut the line, that is we take one point on that. Yes. Where this line cut the, where this arc cut the line, that is my point B. That is my point B. And now this is AB is 3.8 centimeter. AB is 3.8 centimeter. Now next is D, 5 centimeter. D is 5 centimeter. You have to draw the line segment of 5 centimeter. You have to draw the line segment of 5 centimeter. You have to draw the line segment of 5 centimeter. Yes. So draw the line segment of 5 centimeter. Draw the line. Yes. So for D 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter line segment we have to draw. So I will keep the scale. With the help of scale, I will draw one bigger line. With the help of scale, I will draw one bigger line. Yes. Then I will take one point A on that. I will take one point A on that. Take the point A on that. I will take the point A on that. Then, yes, then I will keep the scale. Keep the scale. Yes, mute the microphone. Keep the scale. And this is 4 and this is 5. This is 4 and 5. Yes, between 4 and 5. So I will keep the metal tip at 0. Metal tip at 0 and pencil arm at 5. Pencil arm at 5. And then we keep the metal tip at A. We keep the metal tip at A and draw one arc. Draw one arc. Yes, 5 centimeter. So where the arc cut the line, that is my point B. Where the arc cut the line, that is my point B, and we write AB as 5 centimeter. So this is line segment AB as 5 centimeter. This is line segment AB of 5 centimeter. Yes. So this is yes. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Now let us do fourth one. Let us do fourth. Mute the microphone. Yes. Now we will do the fourth one. We will do the fourth one. Question 4. Construct a line segment. Construct a line segment. Construct a line segment equal to the length given below. So now we write construct a line segment 4. Construct a line segment. Construct a line segment. Construct a line. Construct a line segment equal to. Construct a line segment equal to the length using compasses or rounder. Using compasses we have to draw a line segment of equal length. Construct a line segment equal to the lengths. Not it is using compasses. Equal to the length. Equal to the length given below. Equal to the length given below. You are given already one line segment. Already you are given one line segment. You have to measure that line segment and draw another line segment of equal length. So first it is given. Construct a line segment of equal length given below. So first it is given PQ. PQ is 4 cm. You are given PQ. You are given PQ. So what I have to do first? See, first what you have to do? First you have to take the scale and measure the length. And since you are not having the textbook, this PQ is 4 cm. First you have to measure the length of PQ using this ruler. Using ruler, first you have to measure the length of PQ, which comes to be 4 cm. Now I have to draw another line segment of equal length of 4 cm. I have to draw another line segment of No. See, no. You are given only PQ. You are only given PQ. So what I have to do in first step, using ruler, I have to measure the length of the segment. And when we measure the length of the segment, this PQ comes to be 4 cm. Now I have to draw another line segment, say AB, of 4 cm, same length. So to draw that another line segment, I will first draw the line using ruler. Using ruler, I will draw the line. No, not any side. Line will be of any side. But line segment we have to draw 4 cm. So now what I will do? I will take any point A on this line. And what is the length of PQ? The length of PQ is 4 cm. So I have to draw another line segment AB of 4 cm, same length. So first I will get 4 cm. So first I will yes. Wait. Let me explain. First you will draw the line. You will take any point A on that. Now take the ruler and the compasses. Keep the metal tip at 0. And pencil arm at 4. because we want to draw the line segment of same length 4 centimeter. So I will keep the metal tip at 0 and pencil arm at 4. Pencil arm at 4, and I will keep the metal tip. No, you don't have to. You have to use compass. Don't use ruler again. You have to take the ruler. You have to take the compass. Keep the metal tip at 0 and the pencil arm at 4. Then you have to keep the metal tip at A and draw an arc. Draw an arc with the help of pencil arm. You have to draw an arc off. You have to keep the metal tip at A. After selecting 4 centimeter, you have to keep the metal tip at A. Pencil arm, you have to draw the arc which cut the line, which cut this line, that where the arc and the line cut, that is my point B. And this AB is nothing but 4 centimeter. So we have drawn another line segment AB of equal length. So first you were given PQ. With the help of ruler, you have to measure the length, which comes to be 4 centimeter. Now I have to draw another line segment of equal length 4 centimeter. So first I will draw the line, then I will take the point A on that to the left of middle point. Then after taking point A on that line, I will take the ruler and the compasses. I will keep the metal tip at 0 and pencil arm at 4. Now do not change this setting. Now I will keep the metal tip at A and pencil arm. With the pencil arm I will draw an arc. Where the arc and the line meet, that is my point B. And the length of AB is 4 centimeter. So this is another line segment of length 4 centimeter. Now next is XY. You are given the line segment XY. You are given the line segment XY. You are given the line segment XY. Yes, you are given the line. You are given the line segment XY. You are given the line segment XY. Yes. Now this was first. Now second, you are given the line segment XY. Wait. You are given the line segment XY. This is X and this is Y. You are given the line. It is coming clear, right? You are given the line segment XY. Now with the help of scale, you will measure this length first. With the help of scale, you will measure the length. You will measure the length with the help of scale. With the help of scale, you will measure the length, which comes to be 6.2 centimeter. So we measure the length. We measure the length with the help of scale. So the length of XY is 6.2 centimeter. 6.2 centimeter. So now I have to draw another line segment of same length, 6.2 centimeter. So first, with the help of scale, I will draw the line. With the help of scale, I will draw the line. I will draw the line with the help. With the help of scale, I will draw the line. Now I will take any point. Suppose let me take P. I will take any point P on this. You can take any number A, B, C, D, P, Q. I will take any point P on this line. Now I have to draw the line segment of same length. So I will take the ruler and I will take the compasses. I will keep the metal tip of this ruler. I will keep the metal tip of this compass at 0 and pencil arm at 6.2 at 6.2, where will be 6.2? See, it will be between 6 and 7. 6 and 7, there are 10 small lines. So 6.2 means after 6, 2 small line. After 6, 2 small line. So I will keep the metal tip at 0 and pencil arm at 6.2. After 6, 2 small line. That is my 6.2. Now after selecting this distance, you do not have to change the setting. Now keep the metal tip at P. You have to keep the metal tip at P. And with the help of this pencil arm, you have to draw an arc which cut the line. You have to draw an arc which cut the line. Where the arc and the line meet, that is my point B. That is my point Q. I can take the point as Q. P, Q. Where the arc and the line meet or cut, that is my point Q. Now PQ is same length, 6.2 centimeter. PQ is 6.2 centimeter. So to the given, two things are there. In first step, you will measure the length of this XY. Line segment XY using ruler. You measure the length of the XY. Then I have to draw the line segment of same length, 6.2 centimeter. So first I will draw the line. Using ruler. I will take any point P on that. Then we take the compasses and the ruler. Keep the metal tip at 0 and pencil arm at 6.2. 6.2 means after 6, second small line will be 2. After selecting 6.2, I will keep the metal tip at P and pencil, with the help of pencil arm, we will draw an arc which cut the line at Q. This is my point Q. Now line segment PQ is 6.2 centimeter. Line segment PQ is 6.2 centimeter. So with the given line segment, we have drawn a line segment of equal length. Now third it is AB. You are given the line segment. AB. Third, you are given the line segment AB. Now with the help of scale, you will measure the length. Which is 2.5. With the help of scale, third one I am doing. Fourth, third I am doing. With the help of scale, you will measure the length. Now AB comes to be 2.5 centimeter. No. These are second. This is my second. Now this is my third. We are given AB as 2.5 centimeter. Now I have to draw, with the help of ruler, I will measure the length, which comes to be 2.5. Now I have to draw another line segment of same length 2.5. So what I will do? First I will draw, using ruler, I will draw the line. Then we take a point on that line. Let us take the point as C. Now I have to draw another line segment of equal length. So I will take the ruler, I will take the compasses. I will keep the metal tip at 0 and pencil arm I have to keep at 2.5. Now where will be 2.5? If you see the scale, between 2 and 3, there are 10 small lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, then one bigger line is there, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this bigger line is nothing but 2.5. Between 2 and 3, there is one bigger line. Yes, between 2 and 3, there is one bigger line. That is my 2.5. So after selecting this, you have to keep the metal tip at 0 and pencil arm at 2.5. After selecting this, you keep the metal tip at C, and with the help of pencil arm, draw an arc. With the help of pencil arm, yes, do not present. With the help of pencil arm, you have to draw an arc. Where the arc and the line meet, that is my point D. So CD is 2.5 centimeter. So to the given line segment AB of length 2.5 centimeter, I have drawn another line segment CD of same length 2.5 centimeter. Here, to the given line segment AB of length 2.5 centimeter, I have drawn another line segment CD of length 2.5 centimeter. Now let us do the fifth one. Let me write the fifth question. Construct AB, then we are given the horizontal line. There is no arrow. What you will read this? Line segment or ray? Tell me. On the top, line segment, because there are no arrows. On the top of AB there are no arrows, means it is line segment AB. So construct line segment AB of length 5.3 centimeter. Construct line segment AB of length 5.3 centimeter. From this means from this line segment. From this line segment AB of 5.3 centimeter, cut off from this line segment AB of 5.3 centimeter, cut off another line segment AC. From this line segment AB of 5.3 centimeter, cut off another line segment AC of length 3 centimeter. Of length 3.5 centimeter. So your first you have 3.5 centimeter and measure BC. Measure the line segment BC, which is left. So first you have to construct a line segment AB of 5.3 centimeter. First you have to construct a line segment AB of 5.3 centimeter. Yes. First you have to construct a line segment AB of 5.3 centimeters. So very quickly you solve this. So first we construct a line segment AB. Yes, I am explaining. First you have to construct a line segment AB of 5.3 centimeter. First we draw the line segment AB of 5.3 centimeter. Draw this. Then from this line segment AB, you have to cut another line segment AC of 3.5 centimeter. Then the remaining will be line segment BC. You have to find you have to find the line segment, you have to find the length of the line segment BC. So first step is draw the line segment AB of 5.3 centimeter. So first I will draw the line segment. First I will draw the line, bigger line. Yes. First we draw the bigger line AB. Construct a line segment AB of length 5.3 centimeter. Now the line segment is given AB. So starting point I will take a point that I will name it as A. Because the line segment is AB, so starting point will be A. Wait, time is there. Do not disturb me. I will complete this. Then I will stop. Construct a line segment AB of 5.3 centimeter. So take the starting point as A. Now take the length of 5.3 centimeter. So take the scale and the compasses. Keep the metal tip at 0 and pencil arm at 5.3. Now where will be 5.3? Between 5 and 6 there are 10 small line, 1 small line, 2 small line, 3 small line, and this will be my 5.3. So you keep the metal tip at 0 and pencil arm at 3. Pencil arm at 3 because 5.3. So now we keep the metal tip at A. I will keep the metal tip at A, and with the help of pencil arm I will draw an arc. Where the arc cut the line, that is my point B, because it is AB, that I will take as B. And this AB complete length is 5.3 centimeter. Complete length is 5.3 centimeter. Yes. Now see here. No, wait. I will complete this problem. I will complete this problem. Now second part. From this line segment AB of 5.3 centimeter. This much is 5.3 centimeter. I have to cut off a line segment AC of 3.5 centimeter. So wait. I will complete this. The line segment AC start with A. Now it is C of 3.5 centimeter. So again you will take the scale and you will take the compasses and take the length of 3.5 centimeter. I will keep the metal end at 3, metal end at 0, and pencil end at 3.5. Where will be 3.5? 3.5 will be between 3 and 4. 3.5. 3 and 4, 5 small line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 3.5. I will keep the metal tip at 0 and pencil arm at 3.5. After selecting this distance 3.5, now it is AC. So starting point is A. Again I will keep the metal tip at A. Again I will keep the metal tip at A. Again I will keep the metal tip at A, and then this length 3.5. I will keep the metal tip at A, and pencil arm I will draw an arc. Now where this arc and the line meet, that is my point C. Where the line and the arc meet, that is my point C. Wait. Where the line and the arc meet, that is my point C. I will keep the pencil tip at A for second part. Starting point is A. And 3.5. I will make an arc. Where the arc cut the line, that is my point C. Now we have to find this much length. With the help of pencil, you measure this length. Wait, with the help of pencil you measure the length. You have to measure the length of arc. You have to measure with the help of ruler, measure the length of BC. So measure the length of BC, yes. Measure the length of BC. Tell me what is BC. Yes. Take the scale and measure the length. Take the scale and measure the length. No, not 1.7. It will be, take the help of ruler and measure the length of BC. It will be 8, no, not 2 centimeter. It will be 1.8 centimeter. 1.8 centimeter. This much length we have to measure. Yes, measure this much length. So take the scale. Keep the tip at, keep the zero tip at C. And how much? 1.8 centimeter is BC. So line segment BC is 1.8 centimeter. Yes, line segment BC is 1.8 centimeter. Line segment BC is, you have to measure this much length. The line segment BC is 1.8 centimeter. So with the help of ruler you measure this length. Keep the tip at 0. Yes, 1.8. So the length of line segment BC is 1.8 centimeter. Now we stop. Yes. See. Yes. So first I have drawn the line segment AB of 5.3. Total is 5.3. Then AC is 3.5. AC is 3.5. Now what is my line segment BC? So I will take this ruler, keep the tip at 0, and measure the length. At B it comes. Wait. No. You have to use the ruler. Keep the zero tip of the ruler at C, and B, up to B it is 1.8. Up to B it is 1.8. That is my line segment BC. The length of the line segment BC is 1.8 centimeter. Now we stop here. Yes. Bye. Take care. Yes. Now we stop here. Yes. The length of the lines. The length of the line segment